Welcome to the Goosey Media YouTube channel, the online video channel for Grey Goose Design. Today I'm going on a bender, bending the lens tube and mirror 3 holder assembly. The first operation is to make the long side bend. As you will note, the bender is homebrew, but it does an excellent job nonetheless. First of all, I insert the laser cut aluminium part and clamp it down with the 2 bolts. Then it's just a matter of levering up the bender. The laser slots help make this easy and gives an accurate bend line. Having bent the long side, I now bend the mirror mount to 45 degrees until the tab snaps into the pre-cut slot. Again, the pre-cut laser slots ensure an easy and accurate bend. I use a piece of mylar film to stop the tab marking the inner face whilst bending. All that remains now is to secure the tab into the slot with some construction adhesive, as I have already tapped the mirror mounting screw holes. Please like and subscribe to the channel to be notified of new videos. Also, for further updates, availability and pre-order information, please visit the greygoose.co.uk website or the Grey Goose Design Facebook page.